A lot of us nail tech, we actually rely on a tip as part of our income. And some of you guys might argue like, oh, why do you guys have to get a tip? You guys are already getting paid for the service. But let me break it down to y'all so y'all can understand. The service that we do for you, we don't get to keep 100%. And I know some of you guys probably saying like, oh, but you guys are charging a lot for nails nowadays. Look, all the $100 set that you see, that's only on social media. A lot of time in the nail salon, we got clients coming in for polish change, manicure, pedicure, regular fill, regular food set. Those only range from $20 to $50. And you're probably thinking to yourself like, oh, $50 is pretty good for one service. But you got to understand this too. In the nail salon, we got slow days. And sometimes that $50, we only get to keep 50 to 60%. And that's only around, what, $28 a set? And you guys probably thinking, well, that's not bad at all, right? But what if we're slow? We only have 2 clients that day. So technically, all 8 hours that whole day we wait at the salon, we only make around like 50-some bucks. So that's why when a tip comes a long way, y'all, because when you add that $5, $10 to the service, man, you be going home close to $100, and that feeling feels good because you got gas money. And I know some of y'all don't got it like that, so it's okay. As long as you pay for the service and not run, I'm all good. But some of y'all out there flashing and everything, and y'all cheap as hell. Just saying, y'all.